In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resend a document in PandaDoc while making any necessary updates along the way. The process is quick, but knowing exactly where to go will save you a lot of time and keep your recipients up to date. First, open PandaDoc and head over to your Documents section. This is where you'll find everything you've worked on, whether it's contracts, proposals, or reports. You can use the search bar to quickly locate the file you're after, or filter your list to show only sent documents, which makes narrowing it down much easier. Once you see the document you need, click on it to open the Details view. From here, access the Actions menu and choose the option to edit the document. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to make changes, just as a safeguard against unintentional edits. After confirming, you'll be inside the editor where you can make adjustments, whether that's fixing small typos, updating figures, or rewording sections for clarity. When you are satisfied with the changes, it's time to send it back out. Simply click the Send button, choose to send via email, and PandaDoc will deliver the updated version to your recipients along with the new notification, so they know there's been an update. This ensures everyone is working from the latest version and no outdated information is left floating around. And that's all there is to it. Resending a document in PandaDoc is seamless. And with these steps in mind, you can keep your workflow smooth, your files accurate, and your recipients always in the loop.